Today, we are going to learn how to edit PDF files for free. As you already know, to edit a PDF file, you will need some additional app, or to buy full version of Adobe PDF, which cost around $40 per month. Now, easiest way to do this, without spending this money, would be to use Microsoft Word. Yes, Word is not free, but it is widely available, and most people already have it on their PCs. And, in the end, I will show you how to convert your Word file back to PDF. First thing we are going to do, is to select Open a File, from Word window, and then we are going to choose our PDF file. Here I have one CV template, that I would like to use to create my own CV. So, select this and click Open. You will get this pop-up window, that is basically saying to us, that this can take some time, and that if PDF contains a lot of graphics and pictures, it might not look the same. Click OK. And, this was fast. Now, we can edit our CV template. I will put my name here, change the title, maybe adjust this to left side for better look, or change some font. Maybe even change some colors. Down here we can also make some changes, we can add our own experience or remove some elements. Now, I am not going to edit this till the end, because my CV is not the point of this video. Next step is to convert this file back to PDF, because it is better to send PDF CVs, when you are applying for a job. But before that, I am going to save this as Word file, to have it for future editing, like this, save as, Alex CV, and save, and finally, we can convert it back to PDF. And Word is also the tool for this. Just click again on Save As, and now, from this drop-down menu, choose a file type to be saved in. We will of course, choose PDF. Save, and let's check it. The file opened automatically after we saved it. Looks good, we have our edited PDF.